Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the English Studio, the place where simple English becomes real English. If you want to sound natural, confident, and comfortable in everyday conversations, you're in the right place.
Hi, learners. We're so happy you're here with us today. If this is your first time listening, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow, and we appreciate every single one of you.
Today, we're talking about one of the most magical days of the entire year, Christmas Day. We're going to help you speak about Christmas morning, traditions, food, family time, gifts, and everything in between using natural English that you can use anywhere in the world.
So, get comfortable. Take a deep breath, maybe grab a warm drink, because today's lesson is all cozy, all festive, and all about learning English in a way that actually feels good. Before we jump into Christmas Day, let's warm up with a simple question. How was your weekend, Ethan?
My weekend was peaceful. I visited my aunt in Chicago. She makes the best hot chocolate, thick, creamy, rich. We talked, relaxed, watched the movie. It was slow and quiet, just what I needed.
That sounds perfect. My weekend, completely different. I cleaned everything. The kitchen, the bathroom, the closets, the floors. I washed dishes, vacuumed, organized. After that, I basically melted onto the sofa.
A productive weekend. But yes, cleaning is exhausting.
It is, but a clean home before Christmas feels amazing.
All right, Ethan. Imagine it's Christmas morning. What's the first thing you notice?
The quiet. Not a normal quiet. It's a warm, excited quiet. The kind of quiet that feels like the world is holding its breath. And of course, the smell. Cinnamon, coffee, maybe some bacon in the oven.
Cinnamon is the official smell of Christmas. In my house in New York, the first thing I notice is the light. We leave a small electric candle in the window, so when I wake up, the room glows soft and golden. Outside, everything is freezing, but inside, cozy, warm, peaceful.
That is such a perfect Christmas image. Warm inside, cold outside. The contrast makes it feel magical.
Exactly.
Do you wear special clothes on Christmas morning?
Absolutely. Fluffy socks, soft pajamas, and sometimes an ugly Christmas sweater.
I love ugly Christmas sweaters. I have one with a snowman wearing sunglasses. It looks ridiculous, but perfect.
That's the whole point. Christmas is the only day when looking silly is a fashion style.
So after waking up, what happens next?
My family gathers in the living room. In our house, nobody is allowed to touch the presents until everyone is awake.
Same in my family. We have to wait for every single person. It's torture, but fun torture.
Exactly. First, we talk a little, drink coffee or orange juice, and then finally,
Present time.
yes. In my family, the youngest person opens the first gift, usually my little niece from Phoenix.
In my family, we take turns. One person gives a gift, we watch them open it, then that person gives the next gift. It takes forever, but you get to see everyone's reactions.
What's the best Christmas present you've ever received?
A telescope. When I was 12, I wanted to look at the stars. I felt like a scientist.
That's amazing. My best gift was a red bicycle when I was 10. Perfect condition, shiny. I thought I was the coolest kid in the neighborhood.
Worst gift?
My aunt once gave me a sweater with giant cats on it. Huge cats. Very dramatic, very terrifying.
Oh no. Well, my uncle gives everyone the same gift every year, a calendar with pictures of his dog. Every single year.
That actually sounds adorable the first time.
Let's talk about food. Christmas food is legendary. Do you help in the kitchen?
I try, but I'm not very helpful. I taste too many ingredients. My job is usually setting the table. Forks, knives, plates, napkins. That's my area of expertise.
I help with peeling vegetables at my parents' house. Potatoes, carrots, onions. Simple but relaxing. And we listen to Christmas music.
My dad dances with the turkey. He picks it up and waltzes across the kitchen.
You must film that one day.
What do you usually do while the food is cooking?
Sometimes we go for a short walk. The streets are quiet, the air is cold, and everything feels peaceful. It's like the whole world slows down.
My family watches a Christmas movie, something fun. Elf, Home Alone, or The Polar Express. Movies that make everyone smile.
How do you know when dinner is ready?
My dad rings a real metal bell, a tiny ding, 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 and everyone rushes to the kitchen like children.
A bell? That's adorable. My mom just shouts, "Dinner!" from the other room.
Before eating, do you say something?
Yes, we hold hands for a moment and say a short thank you. Then we say, "Enjoy your meal."
Important question. What's your favorite Christmas food?
Stuffing. Bread, herbs, onions, soft, warm, delicious.
I love crispy roasted potatoes and gravy. Gravy makes everything better.
Yes, gravy is liquid happiness.
Any special drinks?
Sparkling apple juice for kids, wine for adults, and sometimes hot spiced punch.
Do you have dessert after the meal?
Always. Pumpkin pie, chocolate log cake, sometimes both.
Both. Always both. Christmas is not the day for dieting.
After dinner, my family turns off the main lights and leaves only the Christmas tree lights on. The whole room becomes soft and warm.
Same for my family. Someone always falls asleep.
Usually my dad.
My grandpa, he's the champion of Christmas naps. Do you play games after dinner?
Yes, Uno, board games, trivia, sometimes way too competitive.
We do puzzles. A huge puzzle that takes days. It's like a family project.
Do you call family who live far away?
Yes, we video call relatives in California. Usually it's sunny there while we have snow in New York.
We call family in Texas. It's always warm there.
Let's talk Christmas decorations. What's on your tree?
Old ornaments, new ones, little stars, lights, and a big angel on the top.
We use a star on top and lots of shiny tinsel.
Do you decorate outside?
Just a wreath on the door and lights around the windows.
Celebrate, do something special for a happy event. Prepare, get ready for something. Stocking, a big Christmas sock for small gifts. Feast, a large special meal. Look forward to, feel excited about the future. Exchange, give something and receive something. Gather, come together. Ornaments, small decorations for the Christmas tree. Tradition, something you do every year in the same way. On Christmas morning, my family gathers in the living room.
We exchange gifts and enjoy a big Christmas feast.
I look forward to spending time with my family.
Christmas is a time to relax, smile, and celebrate together.
Let's review. Today we talked about Christmas morning, clothing,
Family traditions,
gifts,
food,
decorations,
vocabulary.
practice sentences.
Now it's your turn. Question of the day. What is one holiday tradition that you love? Write your answer in the comments.
We read as many comments as we can, and yes, we give hearts.
Thank you for spending time with us at the English Studio. You're doing something amazing by learning English.
We wish you a wonderful holiday season. Stay warm, stay happy, and keep practicing.
See you in the next video. And Merry Christmas.